Guys, in this video I will show you a program which will swap the numbers written on it. That means if we have given the output as number 1 2 3, it will give the outputs as 3 2 1. So we will create this program in Java language in Netbeans IDE. So we will go to new projects, Java application, name will be simple as swap 1. Finish it. Create a new JFrame unit. Its name as swap 11. Create a good label written as swap. Give it a good head size. Create its duplicate. Let us reduce its size to 24 and rename it to number. And bring a text area to get the input of the number which we want to swap. Write its variable name as tf1. Create a button. Rename it as swap and an output text field. Write its variable name as tf2. In small letters. This one also in small letters. Then go to the swap button to write the program. So getting the input in the form of a string a, tf1 dot get text, and change this to integer dot parse int a. Now b has a value of a in the form of integer. Now get another variable as c and write a while loop. Whenever b is greater than 0, it will enter to the loop. Here we will write c equals to b modulus sign n, so that we get the last digit of that input number. Then we will decrease the digits in b and we will write b divided by 10, so that of the input number 1 2 3, the number will be reduced to 1 and 2 only. Then another variable we will get as d equals to 0 as initial value. This d last value will be the output value. So here we will store our values as d plus c multiplied to, we will add a math library here just beneath of the package command. We will write import java.lang.math math will be in maths M will be in capital letter. Now here we will write as math dot POW. It is a command of power in maths library of Java 10, and here it will be a dot length minus I. For another variable we will create a SI whose initial value will be 1. Since this math command from here to here will give as output as 10, this 10 raised to the power this value, this whole value. Here I we have taken to meet with the algorithm needed for the program. Since this math command gives output as a higher data type, so we have to convert it into an integer data type. So here we will write as int. Typecasting we will do here and convert this to int. Now it is okay. So why we are using I here? Because when we get output from here as C, when B is 1 to 3, then C value will be 3 for the first loop. Then we want that C should be multiplied with 2 more zeros. So 10 raised to power the length of A, which is the input string, minus I. With each iteration of the loop, this length value will decrease. Like with 1 to 3 case, input as 1 to 3, the length is 3. So for each iteration, in first iteration this value will be 3, then 2, then 1. Likewise, for increasing the value of I, we will write here I++, and output value will be TF. Will get the output here as TF2 dot set text. Output it's D. So again we are getting a string. Here D is not defined because we have to convert it in the form of a string. So when this D is in the form of int and we are getting the output in the form of a string, so the output in this form, that D plus double quotation, so that this D in integer data type gets converted to the string data type. So again we are getting the input in the form of a string, and then this string is converted to int in the form of B, and 3 variables are there, C, D and I. D value is 0, I value is 1. Whenever B is greater than 0, we will get enter to the loop, and we will get here C value as B moduli with 10, so that when the input is 1 to 3, we will get the value of C as 3, and decreasing the last digit of B by dividing it with 10. Like in the case of 1 to 3, we are getting, by dividing it with 10, we are getting the next B as 1 2, and the D which we will get as the output, we are converting it first to the int form with this command, and then D first value is 0, so 0 plus C multiplied with math.pow 10 to the power length of a will be 3 minus I. The initial value of I is 1, so a dot length minus I will give us output as 2, so 10 to the power 2 it will be 100. So C, which is 3 in the case of 1 to 3 input, and then 3 multiplied by 100 will give 300, and 300 plus 0 will be 300. So D is 300, and the one increment in the value of I is there, so now the I value is 2, and again it meets to the second iteration of the loop. And similarly, by again and again addition to the value of D, we will get the final result of D as 3 to 1, in the case of input as 1 to 3. If you are confusing with the codes, then take pen and paper and try to get the outputs by taking a random input by using these algorithms. So now we will try to run the program with the command shift plus F6. Writing a simple input as 1 2 3, swap it, so we are getting the desired output. Now adding some more digits to it, swap, so we are getting the desired output. That means the number has been swapped. 1 2 3 has become 3 to 1, and in this output it again has been reversed.